Will, good morning, good morning. Angelo, good morning, good morning. Just setting up here. Freddie, what's up? Good morning. Let me know, Freddie, if you think we can edit this content. So this morning we already missed out on a nice little setup here, unfortunately. I had it drawn out, but I deleted it. But we had a 1 hour supply here. All right. And then breaker structure here. Where are all my tools at? All the tools have disappeared on my... Well, either way, we were looking to short in this 5-minute supply, which it tapped perfectly and is now dropping. So we missed out on that, but it's all good. Don't forget to tap the like button. Gets the algorithm flowing. Last night we took along an NQ here on these accounts, and at TopStep you have to have you have to have 5 days of $150 in profit or more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this account, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this account. So we're going to request payout on these accounts later today. I locked myself out on those already. Fred, good morning. What's up, man? Man, gold really said round to yesterday after my win. Yeah, dude. I mean, good job on that win, Will. Getting to my desk to get set up. Copy that. Well, if we go to the 1 hour time frame and we just draw out our areas of interest, that's kind of what we're going to start with. So let me turn this down. So we have a 1 hour supply up here. We have a 1 hour supply right here, which we're rejecting now. And then a 1 hour demand down here. Really quick before I forget, we need to check if there's any news. Today is Thursday. I woke up thinking today was Friday for whatever reason. I asked my team to send me payroll. I was doing payroll and everything. And my manager was like, "Why are you paying us on Thursday?" I was like, "Oh my gosh, today is Thursday, not Friday." So we had unemployment claims come out this morning. So that's why the volatile move. And we have a 1 hour demand down here. How was the birthday, bro? It was good, man. Thanks for asking. It was good. Mostly worked throughout the day and then got dinner last night at this fire Mexican restaurant. And I got myself some menudo, Mexican menudo. And they had like so much tripe in there. It was delicious. Okay, so on gold, I am interested in possibly looking for shorts in this 5-minute supply. If we break these lows here, I'll look to short up in the supply area. Yeah, dude, it was really good, really good. I'm gonna go to NQ. NQ right now has ran. I mean, we are literally trading down here at the bottom. Crazy move happened yesterday. So let's just mark out our supply and demand zones here. We have a supply. Let me draw this one up here. So we have a supply zone up here. We're in a current supply. Okay. And then we have another somewhat supply zone right here. And then a demand zone down here. So these are the ranges that we're looking at to trade. We zoom down to the 5-minute and higher high, lower high, equal high, and then we make a lower low. So it's a bit of a range. It's very choppy price action, but this is what I'm looking at. Depending on what happens here, we could be looking at shorts here because it's technically making lower highs, right? But it's not a very clear setup. So if we look at this structure, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, equal high. Nothing really crazy here, so I'd want to see a strong 5-minute candle closure to go short on NQ. I get breakfast. Okay, NQ shorts. NQ shorts. They got me. Living room, what's up, bro? Good morning. They have this fire looking pancake thing. Okay, if this 5-minute candle closes, engulfs, I will look to short it. When was your birthday, brother? My birthday was yesterday, man. All right, we got 1 minute, 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. That gold setup was too clean this morning. Too clean. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Thanks, mate. Every time I see you, I'm gonna call you mate, so I can get into culture vibes. You know what I mean? Angelo, happy birthday. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. "44 seconds left. Debating if I take this on. We want to see a clear break below. If we don't get the clear break below, then we're going to hold. That's fine, brother. I'm the guy in the Discord with a C8. Oh, that's you, bro. You were the one that commented about the New York session? Oh my gosh, that is too close of an equal low. You like Americans cars, huh? All right, I'm going to take that off. It didn't reject. It's pretty equal lows, so taking that off the table. So gold is confirming itself short, which is nice. If there is a retracement here, potentially might be a good place to short in this 5-minute area. I can feel myself kind of forcing to find a trade right now, so I'm gonna take my pedal off the gas and just keep watching. Definitely a break below here is a short, but looks like it's holding up. Lots of love, yep. Chill, it's early. 100%. That's why I'm saying it out loud. All right, so NQ is confirming that it wants to go higher, which is sweet. Definitely in this market open, you know, I can see shorts coming in here. So might be patient. I'm going to stay patient to see a trade happen up in that zone. Yeah, that's cool, man. Those pictures look like it was like a fun place to be. Look like Universal opened that restaurant. I forgot to check how much battery is on this. I think it's just a pop-up, won't be there long. Oh, I see. It looked like a legit, like, restaurant gonna stay that way. I do like shorts in this 5-minute supply. I just don't know if we're going to get up there. It was a media event. All the food on the display was to take videos and pictures. Oh, that's crazy. Thought it was like a legit restaurant opening. Well, you're fancy. You get invited to all these media events, huh? Only my second one, but it is pretty cool getting invited. Yeah, I'm sure, dude. How do they invite you? Like, get something in the mail or like an email saying, "Hey, Fred, we have this cool thing happening here." Let's get the likes going. These horizontal streams just don't do too well, bro. I don't know why. They just don't. But I'll be back at the office. All right, top of the hour is about to hit. 6 minutes, 7 minutes. See if we get filled. I don't know if we are going to get filled. My entry is a bit aggressive, or where I'm looking to enter is a bit aggressive. Email me. I told you they push the vertical streams more. Yeah, I could tell whenever I was going at the office, the vertical stream always just hit more. Right before I left, I hit like 2,200 people on the vertical. So it's starting to pick up again, but you know. My boy's still in the hotel showing everyone around how a true trader makes his bread. Thanks, bro. I'm not making full-time income from trading, you know. So when that day comes, if it comes, that'll be sweet. All right, so it did push off this 5-minute supply. How much you make a month from straight trading? Well, at this point with TopStep in the last 30 days will be 10,000 with these accounts that I just locked out because we had the profits coming in. So 10,000. So this is what it is for, what is this, the 30th is when I requested that. Today's the 22nd. I'll be requesting around $1,300, so it'll be just shy of 10 grand in the last 30 days, to answer your question. Dollar's pretty much better than like 80% of the world with job. You can easily make this a job. 100%. Well, overhead is a little rich, you know. Was doing pretty well in solar, and so I'm used to respectfully, I say it, I'm used to making around that much plus more monthly. So not even 30 days. Yeah. I know. I'm trying not to think about it too much, but it is crazy. Yeah, day by day. The main Express accounts, I have 2 winning days, so 3 winning days to pass, but again, it's just prop firms, so you kind of have to try not to think that way. I'm going to take this on the live accounts and the Express, and the Combine. There's multiple confluences here. 1 hour supply, 1 hour supply, like 2 1 hour supply zones. And then if we look at this 1 hour candle, it actually broke these lows, or this low, so it's another confluence. And then on the 5 minute, we're just kind of trying to follow the trend. Why is my arrow path? Here it is. So what we're doing is we're just gonna try catching this short here, see if it works out or not. But we're just looking for the continuation. All right. Broke this low, we broke this low, we broke this low. So looking to see if we can come up and make the next leg lower. All right, let's see if we get filled. We might not. Dude, I hate when this happens, when it gets so close to getting filled. Your boy's gonna be pretty mad. Your boy's gonna be pretty mad if I don't get filled. Bro, don't do this to us. Don't do this to us. All right, so 7 o'clock candles open for the 1 hour. Let's see what that looks like. Very nice. I'm gonna be a little salty if we don't get filled. I'm gonna be a little salty. If my amount of stop works, like I'm gonna risk like $250 to $300. If it goes above the wicks, I'll put it above the wicks. If it doesn't, then I'm going to get stopped out at $250 to $300 on the trade, and I'll re-enter if I need to. If we don't get tapped in by like 7:05 or 7:10, I should say, I'm gonna look to not take the trade for how close market open is. I want to go grab a banana, but I'm afraid I might get filled. The Matty, good morning, man. What's up, bro? Change your profile picture to golf, or maybe I've just never noticed it. I don't know if you, I mean, obviously you probably like and watch golf, but I live right next to the Waste Management golf tournament in Scottsdale, and every year, bro, it's like a madhouse. People everywhere. Okay, I think I'll grab a banana. Right back. Yeah, I've only been to the Waste Management thing once. And I was running a roofing company, and the owners were balling, and they gave me tickets, and we had like a box house seats and limited food and stuff. And I get it. I get why to go to the tournament, but watch golf? I don't know. We were so close to getting filled. Yeah, it didn't tap me in either. I'm watching this 5-minute candle right here. So it's disgusting. This one's bad. All right, it's coming up. Let's see if we get filled in. It's all Joy Shack eating this banana. Don't, Fred. Don't eat it, Fred. Oh, man. It's all bruised up. This is pretty much it. If we don't get the push here, then I'm gonna take my trade off. Mukbang banana ASMR. Just put it all in there. POV ASMR mukbang banana. No. Alright, for the combine, I'm just gonna hop in.
Order filled.
So I'm in on the combine. Thank you. On the Express account, I'm going to take a risky trade here. If it breaks below, I'm going to just take a quick loss, put the stops above. It's got to break below. Okay. No break below. Not bad. Bruh. Oh, man. This is just the combine. Come on, man. Don't you love it when you don't know what to do? Yeah. That's the name of the game, Will. We're just chopping sideways now. Market opening soon. Yes, yes, yes. I'm keeping an eye on it. Come on, Papi Chulo. Come on, Papi Chulo.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. Gonna risk $255. Got stopped on the combine.
Order filled. Order filled.
Copy, Fred. Copy, copy. I'm hoping that just a few minutes. If we're far enough into profit right before market open, I'm just going to move to break even or take profits. Bro, don't freeze right now, bro. My computer better not freeze right now. 10. For gold, it's 10.
Order filled.
All right, we're in full size. Stops are a little tight. Might get stopped out, but just lowered it. Don't look so bored. Try not to, bro. Try not to. This 5-minute candle closure right now is actually pretty nice as far as weakness goes. So let's see if we get the follow through. It's a bit of like indecision, so we shall see. This thing is chopping up right before market open.
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped out on that. Not bad. Worth the shot. I liked the trade idea. Market opens just around the corner, so could be a bit of the culprit here. But going to continue to watch gold and keep an eye on this trend line at market open. See what happens. Let's take a look at NQ. It's at the top of this range. Excuse me. Longs potentially are here on NQ. Seem pretty promising at market open, so I'm going to set an alert there. I liked the goal setup a lot. Not bad at all. We had the trade idea, we're in a 1 hour supply. or making lower lows. So it could be one of those where you get stopped out because I'm adding into the trade, so my average drops. I also don't want to lose more, so I keep lowering my stop with it. All right, the last 5-minute candle open. The hotel music got me demonetized in the last video, yesterday's video. Gold ripping higher. Very nice, very nice. But the hotel music is jamming, bro. Hey, this song is nice. Two minute 30 seconds till market open, everybody. "39 minutes left till all my drone footage gets uploaded, everybody." Your boy's gonna hit that jacuzzi later. Two minutes left, everybody. 2 minutes left. What am I listening to? Dang it. It won't work. Two minutes left, everyone. 2 minutes left. Market open, market open. NQ longs, possibly? Oh, very nice. Gold is pushing higher. All right. Now, if this 5-minute candle decides to just wick down, I'm gonna enter in shorts. So it depends on how this 5-minute candle closes. NQ starting to short. This is a supply, this is a supply zone. If NQ closes below this low and this low, I like the opportunity short here, but we need to see it close below those lows. Is you right? I know the song. Is you right? Okay, gold ain't coming back. Gold said not today, guys. No shorts today. We have a 1-hour supply on gold up here. I'm going to set alerts here and wait for that. And now we have a 1-hour demand here. And boom. That's what we've got set up. I'm going to enter in down here if we get the pullback. 58 seconds left. Is it freezing on your end or is it just me? It is freezing. I don't know what temperature it is out here. A solid 42 degrees for me out here, bro. All right, no longer watching gold. Going to switch over to MNQ. Oh, sorry. I'm frozen. Oh, dang. I am frozen. Oh, no. I just hit live, my bad. Try it again. I just hit live on my phone and it says I'm good. Okay, cool. Okay guys, I'm gonna technically take a short here if we get there. I'm not thinking that we are because of how strong this move was. Check gold. Oh, okay, very nice gold. Coming down, yeah, I'm gonna watch. And then NQ longs or shorts down here or up here if we get it. I don't think we will, so I'm gonna try to aim for this 5-minute demand instead. Something like this if we get that retracement. Gold, I'm flipping my bias long if we get the pullback here. I think longs would step in. Why? Because we've broken all these highs, right? We closed above. Now I'm looking for that retest to go long. This 5-minute candle scares me, so alright, gold is going long. Nothing, I wanted to wait to see if we got down here to go long. And Q is the only thing that's potentially set up for something right now, so. Ideally, we'd want to see this, guys. But we might not get that. All right, MNQ, I'm going to go ahead and going to take this short if we get filled up here. Oh no, it tapped the other 5-minute box, the other one I was talking about. I'm just going to stick to my original supply zone. I really want to see us hit this 25,709 level, and then we can go short. For longs on gold, 48326, potential long. We don't know. I mean, it broke the highs or swept the highs, so it's not like the perfect setup, but if we get there, maybe we take the risk. Okay, well, NQ definitely doesn't want to come to our entry area. Unfortunately, we might be watching it go without us, guys. So it tapped that other 5-minute supply box that I was talking about here, and with the 13 EMA confluence, it went short. So no longer going to chase that. Yeah, it tapped that other 5-minute box that I was originally gonna enter, or I was gonna enter it in, but this 5-minute candle scared me, so unfortunately we didn't get in. That would have been a quick one. Okay, I gotta pee. Watch my stuff. Watch my stuff. Make sure no one takes anything. Okay? Watch my stuff. Tariffs dropping this market, huh? Probably will send me some snow. I'll take it. We were supposed to get snow, but not anymore. Yeah, I'll take some snow. So I'm a little salty about this 5-minute supply that I didn't take, guys. A little salty. Pretty frustrating. Pretty frustrating, not gonna lie. Negative 40 in Chicago? That's insane. The Variety's Central. What's up, bro? I'm doing good, man. Thanks for asking. Chilling this morning. I'm alive at this beautiful hotel. Had a little bit of breakfast. You know? Oh, man, are you in a trade right now? What are you trading? It's at 49,000. Or is that gold? Oh, it's gold, but just different. Man, are you crazy, bro? Dylan, are you watching? If so, what's up? Good morning. Freaking negative 40 is insane. It's supposed to snow here 3 out of the 7 days next 7 days. That's crazy, man. That's cray. All right, so we're hitting into a 1 hour demand, high probability long, or sorry, there's a probability to go long, but it's a bit of a high risk entry just to get into the demand. But with it being such only 20 minutes into market open, I feel like there could be a retracement. But it's an extremely risky trade to just enter in. Yeah, Manny, I just looked at your post, popped up on my phone. That's what's up. Every day's a blessing. That's right, man. That's the truth. Just thankful to be alive. You see my post on Discord? Yes, I did, Manny. What you doing on gold? Taking it short? I'm looking to go long down here. If we get it. $8.45, 8.45, 9.45. I went to Seattle over Thanksgiving. I had a connection in Chicago and learned real quick that why it's the Windy City, 10 degrees with the wind gusting at 60 miles an hour. Oof, I would hate that. I would hate that. Bro, so unlucky on NQ. I know, dude. We missed out on this freaking 5. I don't want to look in the past because it sucks, but this was the second area of interest to go short because I didn't have the confidence that I was going to come up here and ouch. Right before the blizzard, I think. Dang. No worries, you're still our sensei. No, Angela, you crazy, bro. You're crazy. Like looking to enter in this 5-minute supply. Bro, don't do this. Are you kidding me right now? It's looking like one of those days. I gotta just really chill out because that was insane. Look at my entry of this 5-minute supply. Two points away. You frickin' fricks. You frickin' fricks. When will you learn? When will you learn?
Order filled.
When will you learn? Bro, I'm so mad. I'm so mad right now. I'm just so mad. I removed my long play. It's just too many time frame. Fair enough, Will. It's tough to fight the FOMO when that happens. 100%, bro. This is just eval. I'm not worried about it. Yeah, that really does suck.
Order filled.
This is how I scalp. I usually don't add in that much, but that's how I scalp. I'll look for the swing low. My gosh, guys, that is so frustrating. But yeah, all good. All good. You know, it is what it is. When are you going home? I leave tomorrow, 4 p.m., and then I'll be back at the office on Monday. Yeah, gold is looking good to me. I don't know if we're going to get past this 13 EMA, but I like longs on gold down here. I'm a little butthurt about the second miss of the entry. A little butthurt, but you know. Do you take a riskier move on evals and you would on funded? 100%, yep. Only on evals do I take like very hunchy type of moves, like it's just a hunch, not really a setup or anything. I don't know if I want some Greek yogurt. Okay, we're still just chilling. Double top on NQ. Oh, you mean double bottom? Potentially, yeah, double bottom. On the 1 minute, the double bottoms aren't always like strong, you know. So I don't really look at double bottoms on the 1 minute. All right, now we're tapped in this 1 hour demand. Potential longs, which I'm going to take on the... Whoa. Did gold just drop like that? Yeah, it did. 100% it did. Why did gold just drop like that? I don't even know what to do right now.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in on the combine. I'm going to take it long on the
Order filled.
XFAs. Risking 250. Let's see what happens. I know, dude. I know. Hotel internet. Struggling right now. Dylan, what up, bro? Good morning, good morning. So my only problem is there's a 5-minute supply right here that I'm a little scared of. And if we put take profit there, we only make 425, so let's see what happens. I'll go to break even at this blue line. Am I frozen again? Sorry, guys.